Beautiful nature. Beautiful nature. Oh. One is green. The best thing ever. I think I hear some frogs. Maybe a little too much. Is there any alligators in the lake? Nope. Guess not. I hope there were though. I guess the frogs stopped swimming. Wow. What's out far? What's there? Is there a snake anywhere? Let's see, is there any snakes in the water? Any water snakes? Looks clear on this side. Nope. No water snakes. Is there snakes on the tree? Nope. Nothing. Any alligators or lizards anywhere? Nope. No alligators. Doesn't mean there can't be lizards. The wind's strong. Any owls by chance? Oh, there was a frog. The frog started up again. Hard to talk. The frog started up. Okay. Stop. 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 Okay, hey, stop. Stop yelling. Okay. Now where was I? Oh yeah. Is there any owls? Stop. Is there any owls in here? Stop. Is there any owls anywhere maybe? Stop. I said stop. Is there any owls anywhere? Why won't you just stop? Is there any owls anywhere by chance? Okay, I'm just gonna ignore you. Is there any owls anywhere? Nope. But the wind's sure picking up again. Anything. Nope. What else is there? So we went through lizards, there's none, owls, there's none, snakes, there's none, frogs, there is. Snakes, there are. Anything else? What is that? What is that? Is there a frog there? As soon as I said frogs. Right when I said frogs. Finally. Stop. A, stop. Stop. Stop.